Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.2 19 sum. Here let's see the question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. So he started with a salary of rupees 5,000 on the year 1995 and received increment of rupees 200 every year. That means on the first year you will get a salary of 5,000. The next year you will get a salary of rupees 5,200 because there is an increment every year. Increment, that too the amount is rupees 200 every year. In each year, in which year did his income reach rupees 10,000? So they are asking in which year he gets rupees 10,000 as a salary. So here his first salary was rupees 5,000. Therefore A will be 5,000 as the increment is equal on every year. This will be your D. Every year that is the increase amount is your D. Increase or decrease value will be your D. Your D is rupees 2,000. They asked for rupees. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? That is 7,000. So they are asking which year he receives rupees 7,000. Now, as it is in AP, we need to take, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. A is the first term and D is the common difference. Here they were given A to be 5,000 because that is the first year. D equal to rupees 200. They have asked us to find the N. In which year means in which term. Which term is nothing but AN is given to us 7,000 and they have asked us to find this N. N is the in which term. This is nothing but year. In this case it is the year. So I am going to substitute in this formula AN equal to 7,000 A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 7,000. Now A we know it is 5,000 plus N we don't know, we need to find that, and D becomes 200 as it is plus, there is an increment, that is 1 plus, so it is plus 200 equal to 7,000. Now bring 5,000 to the side. N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000. Now if we subtract we get 2,000. Here I am going to bring this 200 here, it comes as a divide. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 tens are. Now bring that minus 1 to the side, it becomes plus 1. So 10 plus 1 will become 11. So N is equal to 11. They have asked in which year did his income reach 7,000. Here his income reached rupees 7,000 on his 11th year. So on his 11th year his income would have reached 7,000. That's all with the sum. Thank you.